Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger RT faster easy guide. Start by measuring current 0 to 60 and quarter-mile times so you know your baseline. Check the intake, exhaust, and tune options that match your goals. Focus on bolt-on parts first for reliability. Plan upgrades that balance power, drivability, and budget. Keep tires and brakes in mind as power increases, and always follow safe installation practices. A clear plan helps you get measurable gains with bolt-ons. Start with a cold air intake to improve throttle response and minor horsepower gains. Add a catback exhaust to reduce back pressure and sharpen sound without major fabrication. Consider high-flow throttle bodies or headers to boost mid-range torque, where street driving spends most time. These changes are reversible and budget-friendly, making them ideal first steps before tuning or forced induction. An ECU tune is the most effective way to turn hardware into real horsepower gains. Choose a professional custom tune tailored to your exact parts and fuel quality to avoid detonation. If you increase boost or fueling, upgrade your fuel pump and injectors to maintain safe air-fuel ratios. Also upgrade tires and suspension to transfer power to the road, because traction is as important as peak horsepower for faster runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.